Hello everyone, and welcome to my new Yeet Cars video. This is my 1997 Hyundai Coupe SFX, and we are going to get it ready for painting. Let's get right into it then. If you haven't watched my last 3 videos, you need to pause this video right now and go and watch them first so that you know what's been going on. Over the weekend, my dad has been making this really great piece, which is for the rusted out piece that was in here, but now once we'd cut the old piece out, we found this is heavily rusted here, so we'll have to remake that. So we've got to put a weld around here because that was where the aerial was in the car, and we'll be moving it up onto the roof. And so I've made this piece. Dad will do the welding, but it fits hopefully quite nicely. So we did a trial fit of this and it seems to be quite good. But yeah, a lot better than we thought. So Dad's made that nice and flat now, and I've put a smudgy fingerprint on it. Dad also he made the badge holes welded in, so that looks really good as well. While my dad was doing that, I managed to clean up this window seal for the back window, and so now hopefully when we put the rear window back on it will seal, because before this part had dented in so much that it had separated the seal from the window and it was leaking down there and into there. So we're putting some mineral tips in the gap of the wing to try and get it so that the sticky doesn't stick as well, so that we can pull the wing off. So we finally got the back wing off. It was a struggle, but not too hard really. We found out that the wing's dented in there because someone's leaned on it. Probably not me, but yeah, it probably was me, but anyway. We are having to respray all of these panels, so we had to get it off anyway. And I had to take I'm having to take these badges off because we'll have to respray it, but I'm keeping the badge. I've got it in here and I'll probably stick it somewhere in the car. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I'll probably there's a Porsche badge which is an S that I can get for a cheap price. I'll probably get that and put the S on there for it. So now I'll take the rear bumper off. I've taken the lights out, but I've got to get the rear bumper off so that we can spray it and this whole big panel. So these are really, really annoying clip thingies, which I usually just have to pull out because it's just plastic. And I decided not to film me doing all of it because, well, it took me a while. It was quite hard. They're really, really annoying clips because they're plastic, and so your screw slips in it. So I had to get a screwdriver in there and wedge up, and then get something to grip around the outside and turn it. So as I was just peeling the seal back to look for these, I noticed it has quite a lot of rust bubbles around here, so we'll have to clean that up and spray all of that. Annoying. Finally got all the bolts off, so it all just comes off, and that's just a piece of foam in between there. That's weird. Okay. Yep, like this is completely normal, you know, rust on the bolt, like, and they usually just have this as, you know, like ballast, totally just, you know, to weigh the back down more so it drives better, you know, and more on the other side. And like, look at that, that's just fine. The fact that the bolt just broke off. Normal. Dad's just finished spraying the first coat of primer on there. Looks nice. So yeah, we're just cleaning up all of the area, and we've sprayed it, and down there, and down there, and down there. And we're going to spray some body deadener over it. Slowly but surely I'm getting all of the white paint off. It's a bit annoying that it's gone to bare metal. I was just like, this primer isn't thick enough, but it's actually going quite well. It's sad we have to take all the paint off, but it's because it was such a bad paint job. This is just all like bubbles of paint. There's the primer underneath. No rust or anything. It's just didn't stick properly. Right, one side done. Yep. Doesn't need painting, does it? That looks perfect. Okay, so this side, this quarter panel is now finished. So now all I have to do is get that, sand all of that, all across the roof, all across there, all across there, and down there. Yay! Wow, I have finally finished the sanding. Took me a month. I mean, like, I wasn't doing it every day, but like, wow. It is finally all sanded and hopefully ready for the paint. Thanks for watching. This is very, very exciting.